Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to unlink OneDrive or how to disable or uninstall OneDrive. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First thing you need to do is go over to the bottom right of the screen, click this arrow right here, and as you can see here, OneDrive, you can simply click on it, click on the settings option, click on settings, and simply click unlink this PC. This will unlink your account from this will unlink OneDrive from this PC or in this device. And now we're going to teach you on how to delete or disable OneDrive. First, go to Apps, Settings. First, go to Settings. And from here, simply press Apps Uninstalls Defaults. From here, we're going to type out OneDrive. As you can see here, and here we're going to simply press uninstall, and this will simply unlink, delete, and as well as disable OneDrive from your computer. I hope this short video helped, and thank you for watching.